Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing some Orcust. Or apparently not. No one wants to play against me. Apparently people hate dangers. Who could guess that? It's like, well, dangers is part of the game. It's because like people hate combo decks and things that can spam out cards. It's like, well, that's what happens in 2020. Get over it, the game can't always be slow. The game has to pick up speed, it can't stay the same. So I'm sitting here waiting for a new opponent. I may have to pause the recording. Just because I can't get my door with me. There we go. Wait, I picked rock. What? No! Whatever. I swear I picked rock, but this is a good hand, I guess. Probably will refill this, because it's the, Oh, by the way, this is under the newer vanilla list. Assault wait, what? Oh, shit. This dude's for real. He's playing. Oh, man, wait. When did that come to the CCG? I thought it was OCG only. What's it called? Sorry, we left the thing in Jiggy. Ah, he is TCG. Cool. This deck isn't gonna be that great. I know people might think it is, but no, it's not. Next start this dragon. Why are you not like playing 8 cards? Why are you playing 8 cards in your extra deck, not 15? So weird. Stardust dragon. No? Wait, what is that? Oh, it is Stardust. That's that new artwork. Duel. Whatever it's called. Wait, what? Well, that's cool. It's a good way to get this out of your hand, although you're minusing cards. So it's not that great. You don't want to minus in 2019 or ever, really, but okay. Like back in the day, it was fine to minus somewhat, but like inherent minus ones, like in Vortex, wasn't necessarily bad. Because the game was so slow. Okay, if you say so. Let's see if I can get around this negation as well. And so it does destroy. Okay. Thank you. Now the odds of him hitting Nessie is so low. That's what I kind of figured he was going to hit, because that's my luck. It's fine. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Matter. I'll set that. Screw it. Come on, danger. This is not the danger I am looking for. Oh, okay. I'm having to play awkwardly, but I can... this is the one bad thing about Nightmare. Orcust is like, it sucks when you like draw into it. Oh, I know. I was like, well, I don't have any more. I know what I could do. Banish this. Target this. Bring out... Oh, I could summon that. He doesn't really do me any good, so... Can he summon himself? Except for itself, okay. You know what? I'll send this. I'll activate this. Actually, yeah. Set Babel. Stardust Dragon comes back. I hope I don't lose to, like... Actually, main phase, no, because I needed this. If he was small, he would just go to the battle phase. Like, there's no reason to activate anything. You know what my face down is, right? So... Actually, no, he doesn't know. Because he didn't, Cannot be destroyed by battle. Oh yeah, I can't be destroyed by battle. Awesome! Also, he can't, negate this. With this, because it's a counter trap, so... I can get rid of the thing once and for all if he negates. Come on, do it! Do it! Do it! Do it, boy! Come on! Negate that random allure. I mean... Wait, what? No? Shit. Okay. Okay. No effect, I guess. Can't negate its summon. Can you? No. I didn't think so. So what I'm thinking is just like ram into it. I didn't want him to... Oh, I could have. I mean, it does the same thing, I suppose. But at least this way I still have my trap. So I can negate something else if I need to. Right? So I get rid of the negation. Activate only when you control an assault mode monster. Destroy all physical monsters on the field. Yeah, no thank you. Nope. Get that out of here. What could the face sound be? Kinda sucks I couldn't use that effect because I would have had no cards. I see. At least Stardust Dragon doesn't negate like card effects. So I can still do things, I guess. What's his name is pretty good because he can get back. So I can summon him by banishing a nightmare, and then it sets up my Orcust combos. Seriously? He can bait out negation, and then it would get destroyed, but then I can protect it. it's still gonna come back, but you know. Oh well. You're gonna negate it, right? 'Cause, like, why would you not negate it? Yeah, I kind of figured. Too bad I don't have Call by the Grave. That would be really, really good right now. Apparently I don't have any more targets. Great. Well, that's wonderful, ain't it? Quick event, you can talk about the ones on field. Response. Okay, so he can't negate it with that. At the start of the damage step, if this card attacks an opponent's monster, you can place it. Cool. Bull Sword Dragon, Bull Low Dragon is gonna be really great out to that thing. Wait, what? Really? Are you, like, retarded, or... Wait, what? Are you retarded? Why in attack mode? Okay. I apologize for my cat meowing in the background. She's waiting to be loved on. Also, it's once per turn, so I can do it on my turn too. Right, so, yeah. No. What are you gonna do? Sink in the Stardust Dragon? Like, I almost have it to the point where, like, I have almost always caught taken away. So, this deck isn't competitive by any stretch of the imagination, but as you can see, Orcust can play around things and can keep going and going and going and going and going still, even though I don't really have much dangers left in my, hand, because I have no hand. I don't really have anything, but because they keep recycling themselves back over and over, it makes Orcust a very dangerous deck. Yeah, dangerous, because I'm playing dangerous with it. I didn't do that on purpose, but... Anywho, also, part of Avarice I am not playing right now, because this is ranked and it doesn't let me play with Avarice, but Avarice is going to help shuffle back the dangers and stuff and get going. To be one Assault Mode monster, special summon one Assault Mode monster from your deck with a different name and defense position. Name one in summoning condition. Wow! That's dumb. Okay, no. So it has to be a different name. So you have to play different names of assault modes. And again, it looks like I'm not going to be able to finish this video. Unfortunate. Once per turn during the main phase 1, you can destroy all face-up monsters on the field. Monsters other than this card cannot attack until you use this effect. Cool. Okay. So he switched out to defense mode, so I can't get around it. Cool. I'm doing, I think, a really good job of getting around all of this shit. Also, imagine this deck during Master Duel 5. It gets a tiny bit better due to the fact of shit. Okay. Due to the fact that you have, what's this defense? 2000 doing for fuck. The ability to summon out more synchros for Master Duel 4. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know what you think in comments below. I'll catch you guys later. This is the Genzo signing out. Bye.